Who is ready to see some racing? We are pulling in now. Volusia Speedway. We have a pit pass, so we don't have to stop here. This is early because we have an early start time today. Pits, Gator Pond, Infield. Yeah, that's us. But we are not visiting the Gator Pond. And yes, there's a gator in there. The lovely people at the gate. Each day it seems different. Last 2 days we had gone in the other gate. Looky there. Welcome, Gator Pond. There's Neville, that's Ricky Neville. Trevor Neville Racing. As you can see, this place is packed. UMP Modifieds, Sprint. Takes a while to get up in here. They're working on the track, so we had to get across fast, and you could tell how slick the track was. So now we're in the infield. Hello, Maddie. Maddie just got upended. So yes, this is the infield. And like I said, we are early, so the stands have not started filling up yet. But so here's our team. Wins 52. UMP Modifieds, Sprint. And we have some more of our competition down this way. That was a long trip just from Highway 40, wasn't it? All right, we'll be back.